Welcome. If you want to make your Telegram experience smoother by quickly accessing the people you chat with the most, enabling the Suggest Frequent Contacts feature is the way to go. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on this handy setting, so you can find your favorite contacts at a glance every time you open the app. First, grab your device and open the Telegram app. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner of your screen for the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. Tap on this icon to open the main menu. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings. This section is where you can customize how Telegram works for you, from notifications to privacy preferences. Next, in the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This area is dedicated to keeping your conversations private and tailoring your messaging experience. Here, you'll find several options to manage who can see your information, who can contact you, and more. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Suggest Frequent Contacts. This feature allows Telegram to automatically suggest the people you message most often, placing them conveniently at the top of your search section for easy access. To enable it, simply toggle the switch next to this option so it turns on. That's it. With Suggest Frequent Contacts enabled, Telegram will now keep track of your most frequent chats and make it easier for you to start conversations with them. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow these steps again and toggle the switch off. Enabling this setting can save you time and help you stay connected with the people who matter most. Plus, it's a quick change that can make a big difference in how you use Telegram every day. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might benefit from this tip. Stay connected and enjoy a more streamlined Telegram experience.